brothers. We're happy and we're singing and we're colored. Give me a high five.
All right, cut and print. Beautiful, guys. Dynamite. That is...
House Radio, baby. 20-minute shootout.
Yo, we back here again today. Today we're going to discuss a topic. It's not necessarily a battle rap. It's in the battle rap culture. We got three metal men.
Yo, first of all, watch our blogs for the other two, please, because we worked hard on that. You're just like getting the views. I'm taking it once again.
Yo, subscribe it. Go down, go check our work, man. We be doing some funny shit.
Blah.
But right here, we here watching Three Letterman versus Cassidy Part 2.
Three Letterman, my nigga.
Yo, I know you came from Angry Fan. You angrier than Angry Fan, my man. You belong back with Angry Fans Cash because you was an angry nigga, man.
Yo, I think you was. Yo, first of all, you sound scary, nigga.
Yo, it sound like you somewhere in the woods goggling rocks, nigga. Like you made a rock in Newport stew and you
Yo, brethren.
Yo, then you turn Yachty in the middle of the fucking argument. Like, what's wrong? You hate Cassidy, man?
Yo, my nigga, I'm gonna give you some Xanax prescriptions, and you gonna take all of them, nigga.
Yo, you doing an interview, big homie.
It's an interview, nigga. It's Q&A, not Q and Q. You ain't answering, nigga.
You lost, nigga. LOSS. No, I thought
it was entertaining.
LOST?
I don't know how to spell law. I don't know how to spell either, nigga. I ain't gonna hold you. Fuck that. I'm not spell lost though. But yo, my man, Three Letterman, you clearly didn't want no interview with that nigga. You wanted smoke.
Yo, dog, you don't like Cassidy. I don't know, niggas must have spit in your Philly cheesesteak. I don't know if you're a Giant fan. You went to watch the Giants in Philly. They burnt the back of your fucking Giants jacket when you left. You had cigarette burns in your back.
And he's passionate about battle rap. He don't want no one intruding in the culture with this.
Nah, but he
bumblebee bars and the do-rag, the waves.
Wait, hold on. Let's get into the battle, though. Who you thought won that good?
Come on. I got Cassidy 3-0 winning that shit. Yo, fuck that, nigga. I predicted that shit. Yo, you heard Cassidy on the interview?
He said that line went over your head. Like a wave.
Put drugs in your stomach. Yo,
not for
all jokes aside, Cassidy lost.
I got Cassidy getting the first one. I got Cassidy halfway through the second round was still good. After he mentioned Good's daughter, it seemed like he thought the battle was gonna be over, in my opinion, because he started spitting random balls.
He thought Good's gonna
I think Good's gonna punch him in his fucking, give him a car accident.
Good's gonna punch Cassidy in the face. I think Cassidy jaw would have fell off. That nigga looked at bad light on that fucking battle, yo.
Yo, where you think he went to get that Boss's back shirt? You think he was just some African lady on 127th and Lennox and said, can I get a $5 tee and could you iron Boss's back on my t-shirt, please?
Boss's back.
Yo, what are they paying you over there?
This nigga got a shirt saying Boss's back when he's going to battle rap. It's nothing but bars. Nigga, that's a shirt you're supposed to wear in the industry, nigga, not battle rap, nigga. That's a fucking oxymoron.
I don't know who's your stylist. I don't even know who's your lady.
T-shirt, Boss is back.
Yo, what is wrong with this? This is
that nigga look like a Fraggle character.
like a Sesame Street character.
He looks like a puppet. I had to get Three Letterman to shave. That's my nigga though. I fuck with you, yo.
Yo, you got to throw that Beijing in the bed, nigga. Your shit is patchy, nigga.
That nigga looks like he swallowed in Beijing, nigga. He didn't get to his bed. Nigga got his throat. Nah, but
that nigga like he fucking ate cinnamon and lemon pepper wings, nigga.
Nigga sound like he took the cinnamon challenge and failed.
You lost, my G. You lost.
Nah, I gotta love it. Yo, we're Piperboy. Everybody so fucking bitch ass Piperboy, nigga. You better watch your mouth, nigga. That's the fucking PSA on that, real quick.
Yo, we be in Houston, man. We be in Houston.
That's not a threat, nigga. I mean, that's his itinerary schedule. We gonna be at.
We just gonna be in Houston. We hope you're there.
We just have to talk to iron some things out with you.
Yeah, I'm not laughing with you.
On behalf of Debo.
We gonna talk in Houston. We gonna have a talk. Whatever CVS you want.
Houston, we have a problem.
Whatever CVS you want to.
Let's go Piperboy.
Whatever CVS you want to be in, yo.
They sell liquor at CVS, by the way, so I'm gonna be picking up the head.
Word, B. But yo, man, shout out to Three Letterman.
Three Letterman, all fun game. Yo, my nigga, you doing it for the culture. You been doing it for a long time. This is all good fun. My nigga, you were doing your thing.
Yo, that shit is funny as fuck though, man.
But you got it, but nigga, next time, man, just take the Xanax, man. Just pop that pill, man. You was so much full into your feelings, man, and it was got kind of Paul Thomas emotional.
Then you jump.
I'm gonna play emotional right now. It's right here playing in the sky. Emotional.
Yo, B. Yo, shout out to Cash, shout out to 3 Letterman. It's 20 minutes shootout to count.
Ah!